Hey there, everyone. I just wanted to announce that my Gann Precision Toolkit is now live for the people in our trading community. And yeah, I'm excited to share it with you. It's not just another indicator. It's a comprehensive suite designed to align with your trading strategy decisions and market dynamics like never before. So basically, it helps really, it's a companion for the Gann levels. So as we can see here on my auto Gann lines, square 144, if you hide it, so you can see where it plots. This is the 4 hours, and that's my preferred time frame. You can definitely, some people like the 1 hour, and the 1 hour can be great as well. Sometimes you have both. So even if you have it on the 1 hour. So what's cool about the companion indicator that goes well, and I'm going to remove this just to help. So earlier in the day, just to show you how powerful this is, and these Gann lines are obviously drawn or plotted before the day even begins, right? So sorry about that. Let's go over here. So if we get to pre-market, look at right here at the Gann 242, you're getting a delta volume, and that just gives you confidence. So it's like a volume. Basically, this indicator wraps in volume profile, order flow, price action, and then ATR-Based Risk Management. So when this fires off, you're getting basically insight that there is a lot of selling pressure, and you're going to get a good opportunity for a short. So what you'll likely do is you'll enter around 238 with a pretty tight stop, probably around 253-ish in that range, and you're going to short down. And sometimes you just go for one Gann, and sometimes you go for two. 2 1 hour Ganns is a pretty good chunk. So if you're getting in around, let's just say you got in at 228, all the way down to 189 would be a pretty good target, getting 2 full Ganns, right? And you can see the delta volume was keeping you in this trade, and then it did bounce, and then you could, in theory, go along. As it comes here, you get a volume signal up. So again, I'm not saying you just flip-flop and forth, but you can see how you could jump in here, scalp out 2 levels, or I guess you'd say 1 full level in this case, and then you can see the open, which is always tricky. So you can see how it was kind of flip-flopping, but really keeping you had a couple of volume nodes that were long, but you didn't. Most everything was down pressure. So as you can see, right at the open, it pushed up. You could have entered a short here at 189-ish in this area and scalped down 1, 2, 3, 4 Gann levels. That's pretty awesome. And then you can see the pressure came back on. And yeah, during this time frame can be pretty jolting, but you can see how you can scalp and use these levels. And this is on the 5 minutes. So really, if you catch that one trade on a 5-minute chart, to me, you're done. Like you catch a good wave, 3 or 4 Gann levels on a 1 hour chart or 1 hour levels, you're good. And you can see pre-market gave you plenty of Gann levels to play with, up and down. Some people even like to go to a 15-second chart, and that obviously it can be good and it can be bad, right? Because you're going to get a lot of signals. But let's just go back kind of to the open to show you that it is where you can do it as long as you're really careful with what you're doing. So let's get back to 9:30 on the open here. So you look at this. So you open, you're getting a nice scalp down, a nice scalp up. So you're going to get 1, almost 2, and then you're going to get a full Gann there. Definitely a full Gann there. Almost 2 full ones there. Not quite a Gann, because you're going to get, if you got in here, you get a Gann. But then look at this. Nice Gann, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and then you're 4 down. And then you're going to cat these nice, you're going to get some mixed signals here. So if you wait it a little bit, or you're playing off a level. As the market bounced off of 122, you could scalp up 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, you're on a 15-second chart, so you might be scalping here, scalping down, scalping up, and then let's just say you scalp down, you lost that one, but then you're scalping up, and then you can scalp down. So you can see one big win there. If you were playing, it'd be kind of ludicrous, but you could, if it signals you'd have a couple losses, but big win there. And if you took that one, you'd lose, but big win, and then monster win down. And you can change these settings so you don't have to take every delta. But as you can see, though, when you combine them with the Gann levels, you're going to find, I'd call them high probability A+ trades. And again, I wouldn't recommend that you trade on a 15-minute chart, because eventually you'll see this. You're going to get consolidation, and then you get some micro trends. But if you stay with even like a 3-minute chart, look how powerful it is. Even when the market comes down. Oh, sorry, that was yesterday. So if we come down today, I mean, look at this bounce. So it comes down, hits 122. So assuming that you don't really want to, catch a falling knife, you wait for confirmation. So it comes down. Look right here. You get a delta volume. So in this range, you could be comfortable knowing if the market holds 136. And then you're going to hold this for many Gann levels. Or in this case, at the open, you're going to catch this delta move at the 204 and catch many gains down, or Gann levels down here. Not saying you're going to catch all of them, but if you can catch 2 or 3 1-hour Ganns, you're doing quite well. So if you stay on just like 3-minute, even 5-minute, you can catch some of the best trades of the day. And you can even see here, what a great setup here. You get kind of a doji here, right at the 243, and you get the delta. Look at that. Almost again, then almost again there. So you have areas where you know that are really good. And then here you could scalp up here, scalp down, scalp up, scalp down, scalp up. And as you can see now, we're kind of in kind of a consolidation. So anyway, it's a really powerful tool. Of course, when you combine it with risk management and keeping your head straight, it's so powerful. And again, if you're staying on, 1-hour Ganns are good. You can even go with a daily Gann level. So really catching, if your goal is to really catch 1 or 2 trades, like 1 a day, look how powerful this is. So as the market comes down to this daily Gann of 140, and look at this, you get this delta volume from Gann to Gann. Again, 2 daily Ganns. Are you kidding me? Or if you're trading earlier, you're going to catch this daily Gann all the way down to this one. So you catch a daily Gann, you should be done. But you could play a couple micros. You can do really well with this. So I'd love you to join our community. We have 2 programs that can allow you to use all these indicators. So the one level is at $47 per month, which allows you access to all the indicators plus onboarding calls and email support. Or for $25 a month, you can get all the indicators with limited email support. And if you're more of a self-directed person and can handle it and you just know what you're doing, for $25 a month, you're getting not just these, you're getting the automatic Gann plots, so you can modify it on the fly. You're getting the toolkit that helps you with the best Gann entries, and then of course I do have the really cool Quantum Zones Pro, which helps you get into really good entries. So it's kind of a trade manager. I don't need to get into all that. I have other videos about that. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email at jatwinningtrades@gmail.com. And there'll be links below on how to join, and be glad to have more members join our community. And we have an awesome Discord as well. So take care and have a great Wednesday FOMC. See ya.